the schools.
Hello, Red Mountain. This is Jacob Ross with RMTV, and we are back at it again with Mr. Hurst and Welding. We are going to check out what they have in store for us this time.
Favorite part about welding probably has to be the building itself, going through, getting everything ready right before we weld it down, having everyone run together as one, and then coming together at the end and just welding it, finishing, and ending the day with the cool project we just built.
Best in the West at MCC. I've done Skills USA. I did FabTech, Welding Thunder at FabTech in Vegas. I've entered probably close to 10, 15 contests over the 4 years I've been here, and I'll be joining Nolan soon.
I'm still yearning for what I hope will lie next when this road's heading towards the end, the end, the ends, the ends. The end, the end, the end, the ends. The end, the end, the end, the ends. There's still that emptiness I
The favorite part about welding is fabricating. I love building things. Like having an image in my mind and taking that and putting it on paper, and then taking it off the paper and putting it in the metal form. I like building cars, trucks, anything I can get my hands on. I can build almost anything, so it's super fun.
I do see myself making a career out of welding, a lot of sheet metal fabrication on classic cars, and I've been doing that now. Sunday I just did a firewall, shaved it down so it looks nice and flat. So I got lots of cars to build in a couple weeks and everything like that. So I'm ready to get out of school and start welding.
This year we had a competition in Las Vegas for the Southwest Regional for Welding Thunder, and we took first place in STEM.
That's all we got this time for welding. If this curriculum seems interesting to you, be sure to sign up for it in the coming years so you can do projects like this. This is Jacob Ross for RMTV.